Hello, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 11. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Select Loyalty or Gift Card. Enter Loyalty and select loyalty card you want to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now, let's select gift card and similarly to loyalty card, select shop, add card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.